Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Teams and sign in with your work or Microsoft account so invitations sync. Click Calendar, then New Meeting, or use Meet Now for immediate calls. Add a clear title and required attendees, and pick a channel if this meeting will post to a team. Use the scheduling assistant to avoid conflicts. Once done, save or send. That creates the invite and meeting link. You're ready to move into audio and video setup next. When you join, use the pre-join pane to test camera and mic so you don't interrupt others. Choose the right devices from device settings. If audio echo appears, switch speaker or use headset. Enable background blur or a custom background to reduce visual distractions and maintain privacy. Assign roles, presenter or attendee, and set lobby options to control access. Once participants arrive, use mute options, raise hand, and pinned to present. Click share and pick your screen, a window or PowerPoint live so viewers follow along smoothly. Whiteboard enables live collaboration. Start recording and transcription for those absent, and remember to stop recording before you end the session. Wrap up with next steps, then end meeting for all or leave if someone else will continue. If something breaks, no audio or camera, check your network, app permissions, and restart Teams. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.